have to rename the name of this class. All right, so we did that. So now we gotta modify the bin. So the modify the bin, which says add pattern to the annotation with each accessor. Add the pattern annotation to each accessor. A. What the hell is it talking about?
So you go to your example, copy and paste from request data required.
I'm sorry, say that again?
Go to your example, request data required, and copy and paste the code. Go to the book site.
Okay, up here.
No, the book site.
What, the book side?
Yeah.
Which one?
Pick one.
Pick one?
That one. Examples.
No, that's the new one, let's go with the old one. Right, this is the old one. That's the old one.
What are you saying?
Chapter 5.
To add a what?
It says add the pattern annotation for each accessor.
That's for the regular expressions that we use.
For the regular expression.
I think org.hibernate valid that is an import statement, I think.
It's an annotation, should it start with that? Add some?
Right.
It does, but he doesn't specify.
Alright, so look at the code on chapter 5.
Of the old book.
There you go. Chapter 5.
That is the old book.
That one right there, it says
What book are you using?
class
Oh,
request
127.
data required.
The old one? 127.
That one right there.
Chapter 5 requirement is that required, that one.
That one.
So probably the best thing to do is this guy, right? Control C.
You see right there, it's an import statement, you see it?
Oh, see, the add. Yeah, you're right.
With a period pattern.
Not null and then pattern. Yeah.
Okay, and this one is that guy there, and that doesn't have those patterns, those imports.
No, not yet.
So we go ahead and we do this, right? Now we have the imports. Okay, so we go back out here. So we did that. Yeah, with that one, and then the parentation is something for accessing the return screen.
And we got the not notes.
Try to validate that, add the unknowns, we did that, that's it there, and the unknowns will accesses the return on object. It won't work with accesses the return numbers. Okay, so we're here. Modify the controller helper. How do we do that? We extend the class from this guy to change the bins, and the package change the location of the package in the confirm method. The data is valid and delete and move the otherwise return the edit. Okay. So what would be the best way to do this?
Modify control.
Modify the controller helper, right?
The best way is to copy and paste.
But which one are we gonna copy and paste? Which helper?
That'll be the helper paste chapter 5 that you will copy.
So if you go to your book site real quick, the old book.
So it should be right there. You have
Helper
one link
base,
at top.
chapter 5.
One link at
The
top.
one
Go
on
back.
top. One on top, there you go.
The one on
Helper
top.
base,
There you go.
chapter
That,
5.
no.
No, this one, right?
Yeah.
Controller helper and then controller helper 5, right?
Yeah, that's the
That's
one.
the
That's
one.
the one he's talking about? Yeah, 5.
Did we do that already?
No?
No, because
we did the-
we're creating a new chapter 5 source
Mhm.
package.
All right, and
Copy and paste.
we put that in theory where we are here.
Controller.
Controller helper, right? No?
No, it was helper base, chapter 5.
Go back. What was to the instructions though?
It's in the share.
In the
folder.
share, and it's called helper
Yeah.
base chapter 5, inside the helper in the share.
In the share, yeah. So
So
go to the
where
share,
is the share?
go down, there you go. Controller helper, chapter 5.
Helper base chapter 5, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Helper base chapter 5. So helper base chapter 5, we write click over there, we take this guy, we do NA, and then we do a B.
0. No errors.
You're good?
No errors. Okay, so now, E, modify the edit page by doing what? We had an error message
Yeah.
for each property.
Did?
It's a
Yeah,
modifier.
so-
It was already good.
Edit.
Oh. Hey, go back to your NetBeans real quick.
We got the same issue that before.
Yeah, people said that you have errors, so
Yeah.
you might wanna go back.
It just said, I think it's already good, because what you did, you already copied and pasted helper base chapter 5, right?
The edit.
Yeah, so, I think it's already good. I think
All right,
it's-
let's find out if the error messages are there, and will appear when the data is invalid. So which one is it?
That one right there.
This one, right?
Wait, first undo
First
some
undo,
helper
yeah.
base, cause we had changed it.
Yeah.
So undo
Oh,
the
yeah,
copy you just
servlet,
did.
yeah,
That's right, we had,
Servlet
we
and
did undo
HTTP
there, because we
Yeah.
modified it, because that one had the error.
We got ahead of the book.
Right, Professor, that's what I was.
Yeah, I think by when we copied the helper base chapter 5, we jumped a lot of steps.
There you go. See, now you don't have any errors.
Right.
Because we
So
had
because
copied
that one
it.
was already done,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah.
already done.
And that one was to, something to do with the error, let's go there again. Error messages for each property.
So now we go to the edit page and display. Each property.
Doing the edit, doing the errors.
Oh, now we have
No,
to-
you gotta
Now we have to,
echo them, I think.
yeah, we have to put an else statement that will echo the errors if there is an error. So we put them next to the hobby, like next to the semicolon, and we do an else statement, I think it's $sign.
Right there.
It's really, yeah. It's
Or we
really,
can also go over here,
yeah, or you could do it.
where's the other guy? So we were. So what is doing that? Is there any edit over here?
No, so we have to figure this out.
You could do it really quick though. Just do an else statement. The else statement, the way you call it is helper dot error. Helper dot
Yeah.
whatever you call it, helper dot data.
Right here?
Yeah, helper dot data dot error.
Right, so right here in front of Javier, put what?
Put an else statement. Yeah, that. No, not L. Squiggly. I don't know what it's called. The curly brace.
Pretty brief.
Yeah, and then hobby dot helper dot data dot error. Yeah.
And it's gotta be in every one of them, right?
Yeah.
Version. So will the company page there? Is that right?
Where? Where do you put it?
In front of each one of the hobby, the version.
I'm sorry, it was-
No, it's backwards.
Yeah, it's helper dot errors dot hobby. Sorry.
Okay.
So just go back to helper dot errors dot hobby, because I was gonna call the error message that pertains to the
And then
the
dot
parameter.
hop. There you go.
errors, the S errors,
Yeah.
and then do that for the rest of them.
Then obviously I come over here. And this one has to be copy and change, right?
Yeah.
Because instead of hobby, we're gonna put
A version.
version.
Version is small letter?
Small e. Small e, Professor?
Okay.
Is it a small e for that one?
Amount, aversion, hobby, and hobby. Yep.
Okay, I think you could run.
So that one was
For the edit page.
right here. So now we need to edit this one, and the server definition for the controller. Okay, so that one is really easy, right? What is the XML?
He has those.
Hopefully he has it in here.
I'm not using this one.
You may have it in the new.
So this is the new book. Chapter 5. Oh, this is great. This is an error indicator of 1. Okay. So this looks so much different than the other guy. So we're looking for the XML guy, right?
Yeah. Guide to configure Mac.
I'm sorry?
No. No.
We're gonna have to do it by hand.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it right now. Well, I kinda have it here.
In the book?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not there. Okay, so we go ahead and change this XML guy.
Code.
And what is he talking about? Modify the web XML, add a server definition for the controller and a server mapper for the controller. So we're dealing with the controller. So this one, the mapping. Okay, so we need to add something here. So you have it in the book?
No, that it has
Oh.
something else.
What are we adding as, a mapping for? The
For
controller?
the controller, right.
Hey, we do it the same way you, or do any other mapping.
Yeah, I'll do it the same way you have it there, just change the chapter 5, required validation of controls.
This guy.
Then you change the path.
So, let's see what we said there. So it's 1 and 2. Okay, so this is okay. So let me take these things out of here. Right? So this one has to be 5,
Yeah.
and then it has to say controller. And then we do the second here. Okay, so where's the controller? This guy here, the controller is right here.
That's
Yeah,
hard.
but you still gotta change the server.
Right,
class.
but this is the one that we're doing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chapter 5 require validation. Okay, so
Okay, you get the
chapter
point.
5.
You have like
Good.
55,
Come on.
it's $20.
And-
55.
All right, let's try it.
Take
these.
180
Okay.
and multiply that by.
So this one would be require, instead of enhance,
You see what I'm trying to say?
would be
Yeah.
require,
You know what it's doing?
require
It's not to be the,
validation.
let's just fix it out.
That one, the controller, right?
Yeah.
So we take this guy here, and then we
Yeah,
come down
put
to
it on.
this guy, we do the same, and then we replace what with what?
Well, there you put chapter 5 / required.
Will this, would I put it as right here?
Yes.
No.
You don't?
No, because the whole name is CHR period, right?
No, I'm pretty,
No, you gotta put the slash.
yeah, I'm
at the
pretty
very-
sure like all,
This weekend?
Because look at the chapter 4 one.
Yep.
It was chapter 4.
Right. So this is chapter 5, require validation, and this is require validation, but this is the class, and we're gonna take these guys out again, right?
Yeah.
Those were for the errors, right? So we have the class and then the mapping.
It
Do
doesn't
we agree with
exist in
this?
395.
I
know the switch.
You can read?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good, right?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay, so we go back to here, and that one was this, add the definition and the mapping for the controller, do not create several definitions of the mapping or any other files in the package, only for the controller. Alright, modify the index, and that one is modify the page by adding a hyperlink to the controller, do not link to the edit. All accesses must be done through the controller. Which controller?
Chapter 5.
On the chapter 5 guy, right? So it has to be this controller that is right here, right? No, it's this controller right here. Which would be this guy right here.
That's why we use Dropbox.
That's the address that we need, and we need to change that where? In the index,
Everything is on
right? So we need to do some kind of hyperlink over here. I'm just gonna paste this guy here, and then I'm gonna just copy this guy here. Alright, is this making any sense? Am I doing it right?
We should all folders we can get.
Okay, we're missing an R there.
Oh, okay, so you might.
Okay, so I'm missing the R here, and I need to take this guy out of here, right?
Everything is done.
It looks correct, right? So it's a hyperlink, and then this will be, yeah, the same thing. Access through, let's call this, chapter 5 controller. Right. And this one, let's change this to, chapter 4 controller. Okay, that's more clear, right?